Hello everyone, I'm Trevor from Sabbath Coffee Roasters. There's a million of different ways to make stellar coffee at home, and we're gonna look at a few of those, but with a caveat. Welcome to Unorthodox. Today I have with me the coveted Aeropress, the device of glory. Angels sing harmonious sounds when you mention its name. What is an Aeropress, you ask? Thanks for asking. What it is, it's a manual device. We will take our grounded coffee. We're going to put in a filter like this one right here. Whoop, in there. Sure, it's in there. And then we're gonna take the coffee, we're gonna dump it in. We're gonna take hot water, we're gonna pour the hot water over. We're gonna set this little piston inside of it. We're gonna let it steep for 2 minutes. And then we're gonna take and we're going to press the coffee out through that filter, and it should make a beautiful, clean, high extracted, wonderful, sweet, juicy cup of coffee. But guess what? This is unorthodox. So today, I'm not using hands. I brought with me this wonderful Costa Rica coffee that Sabbath Coffee has on stock. And it is a natural process Perla Negra coffee from the Las Lajas micro mill. It's very sweet, it's very juicy, it smells like candy. I'm really excited to try this through the Aeropress. So let's give it a shot. First I gotta open up the bag, which already is very challenging because we have a zipper on the back. They make it real hard. All right, so I gotta get some leverage here. Oh. Well, no hands, so I can technically do this. Okay. Okay, so that was one problem solved. Look. Okay. Okay. All right, there we go. Got it. All right, got it. You know, my recipe's not great. I decided we're gonna use James Hoffman's Aeropress recipe to get us through the rest of this video. So James, brilliant man, he suggests we use 11 grams of coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my scale here. All right, very hygiene focused. I also do feel like using my forearms is maybe cheating a little bit, but all right, so 11 grams. Get them in there. All right, we're almost there. We're at 10.6. Getting there with this. We were 0.2 grams away. That really hurts the soul. All right, there we are. Okay. 11.8. As always, we aim for precision here, Orthodox. So we need to dump a little out. Only 2 beans. That's pretty good. We're at 11.3. That'll account for some maybe lost beans and grind retention. So now I'm gonna take these beans and we're gonna put them in our grinder. And for the Aeropress, we want it to be a little finer. So let's get the grinder into position here. All right, all the beans are in. And now we need to start the grinder. All right, the grinder. That was faster than I thought. Ah, my armpit. I'm gonna burn my armpit. Okay, I think I got it. So now let's start the brew process. From here, I'm gonna grab my Aeropress. We're going to set it on our scale. And then I'm going to take the filter of the Aeropress and put that inside of the Aeropress. Great. You really want that filter to be secured down at the bottom of that Aeropress. Okay, we're back. We got the filter in, it's fine, everything's fine. gonna take my Aeropress. We're gonna set this up here with your filter in it. And now we're gonna take our coffee and we're gonna put it inside the Aeropress. Yeah, so 11 grams go into the Aeropress. And from there, we're gonna put our 200 grams of hot water. Okay, there. Kettle hand. Now we're gonna pour 200 grams of water in. And it doesn't really matter, you're just kind of soaking them all up. All right. That's pretty good, I'm at 209 on the scale. So now at this point, we're gonna take our piston and we're gonna put this inside. You know, the last thing you want to do is after that 2 minutes is done, we're going to give it a gentle swirl. You're not trying to make a vortex, you're just trying to get it to swirl around. But we want to remove this off of our scale because we don't want to break our nice scale. That's the last thing we want to do. So now that we're at our 2 minutes, we're just going to give a gentle swirl here. You don't want to like do a big vortex or anything. And then, you know, normally at this point we would press down on the Aeropress nice and slow. And you just want a good controlled pace with the Aeropress. There we go. You just want it nice and controlled. There'll be a little resistance, but you just push through it. All right. Now, let's take a sip of coffee. It's nice and light. There's definitely some grounds on the inside. Okay, Mr. James Hoffman, he knows what he's doing. You never realize how much you use your hands when making coffee. To be honest, I'm not getting much in terms of aroma off of this coffee. Something probably went wrong. Just gonna make it like this, maybe. It's thin. It's watery, but it's coffee water. And it's true what they say. It is a very clean cup of coffee, the Aeropress. So, if you had fears of using the Aeropress, have no more fears, because you too can do this at home. Thanks for watching.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this content, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about Sabbath Coffee Roasters, click the link below.